Nowadays, everyone is watching something on YouTube every single day. But in this video, I want to show you some tips and tricks which you can use when you're watching YouTube to make it more enjoyable. Hi guys, my name is Karthik and today I'll show you 10 tips and tricks which you did not know in YouTube. Tip 1. Playback speed. On a mobile phone, if you want to slow down the video or speed it up for fun, then you can click on the three dots at the top right of the video and tap on playback speed. Now from here you can slow it down or speed it up. The default speed is how it was recorded. Let's say if the person was speaking very fast, then you can slow it down, or vice versa. This can be done on your youtube.com page as well. You need to click on settings, then click on playback speed. Set your speed and the video will play as per the speed. Tip 2. Fast forward or rewind on a YouTube video. The second tip is to fast forward or rewind on a YouTube video. Sometimes you just want to get straight to the point, and by using this tip, you can fast forward the video on demand. On a laptop or a desktop, you can press the L key to fast forward 10 seconds. If you press the J key, it will rewind 10 seconds. On a mobile app, it's slightly different. To fast forward, you need to double tap on the right side of the video. And if you want to rewind, then you need to double tap on the left side of the video. You can change the duration of fast forward or rewind by going into the settings. You can change it to 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or whatever seconds you want to set it to. Tip 3. Timecode. The third tip is using timecode. So you can use the timecode from the description or adding it in the comment section below. Certain YouTubers will leave some timecode in the description so their subscribers can read the description and go straight to the point rather than watching the whole video. This is quite convenient at times when you want to quickly find the information. Another way of using timecode as a viewer is by leaving a comment in the comment section. Let's say you want to ask the YouTuber a question on a specific part of the video. So in the comment, you will type in the timecode and you will ask a question or leave a comment about it. Post the comment and as you can see, it'll turn the timecode to blue. So now the person who owns the channel can click on the timecode and answer your question by leaving a comment. Tip 4. Search filters. The fourth tip is using search filters. So when you search something on YouTube, you can use the search filters to narrow down your search results. So if YouTube is showing a result which is outdated, you can change the filter to show current year's video. There are many other options available in the search filter, so you can choose as per your needs. Tip 5. Share video at a specific timestamp. The fifth video is to share video at a specific timestamp. So this is only available on a desktop or a laptop version of YouTube. So let's say for example you want to share a video with your friends and you want them to watch a specific part of it. In order to do that, you need to select a timestamp on the video, then press share, then select start at option. So whatever timestamp you have selected on the video, that timestamp will show up next to the start at option, or you can edit it to make it more accurate. You then need to copy the URL of the video and share that link with your friends via text or email. When your friends open the link, the video will start at the exact point where you selected to start. Very useful option within youtube.com. Tip 6. Looping the video. The sixth tip is looping the video. Let's say you want to watch a video again and again, so you can set the video to loop. Once the video finishes, it'll then start back again. You can do this by right-clicking on the video and selecting the loop option. If you want to stop it, then just deselect the loop option. This is only available on the desktop or laptop version of youtube.com. This is great for music videos or listening to podcasts on YouTube. Tip 7. Using numbers. The seventh tip is using numbers. So if you press 5, the playhead will move to the middle of the video, therefore it is considered as 50%. If you press 7, it will move to 3/4 of the duration of the video, and that is considered as 70%. Therefore each number represents percent of the video. Very useful if you want to quickly move to certain parts of the video. Tip 8. VR mode. The eighth tip is watching the YouTube video in VR mode on your mobile phone. You can switch this on by tapping the 3 dot and selecting VR mode. This gives you the experience of watching YouTube in a cinema where it's dark all around the video. It's great for 360 videos as well. Tip 9. Dark mode. The 9th tip is switching on dark mode on your YouTube mobile app. This can be done by tapping on your profile, then settings, general options, then appearance, and tapping on the dark theme. This is great for saving battery, and if you're watching your mobile phone in the dark, it'll strain your eyes less. Tip 10. Notification. The last tip is to be notified when your favorite YouTuber uploads a video. To do this, you need to visit one of their videos, and next to the subscribe button, you need to press the bell icon. When pressing this icon, you'll get several options, and from here you need to select all, so this will make sure you don't miss any of the videos when they upload. And these are the best 10 tips and tricks you should use while watching YouTube on your mobile phone or your computer. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel for easy to follow tutorials on social media apps and video editing applications. I'll see you in the next one.